Imagine that the shiny stone you found in an old drawer, or bought from a local market, could actually be a real diamond. But how can you know for sure, without any fancy tools or expert help? In this video, I'll show you 5 of the simplest ways to test a diamond at home, easy, fast methods that might reveal a truth you never expected. Do you have a shiny stone and wonder if it's a real diamond? Before heading to a professional, try these simple tests at home. First, try scratching a piece of glass with the stone. If it leaves a clear scratch, it might be a diamond, but remember, this is only a first clue. Second, place the stone on a printed piece of paper. If you can read the letters clearly through it, it's probably not a diamond. Real diamonds scatter light and distort what's beneath. Third, do the fog test. Breathe onto the stone like you would on a mirror. A real diamond won't hold moisture, it clears up almost instantly. Fourth, use a magnifying lens or your phone's camera. Look for tiny imperfections inside the stone. Real diamonds usually have natural inclusions, while fake ones often look too perfect. And finally, check how it reflects light. Hold it under strong lighting. If you see a sharp white sparkle with hints of rainbow colors inside, that's a strong sign you're holding a real diamond. Of course, none of these methods are 100% conclusive. But they'll give you a solid idea of whether that stone is just pretty, or priceless. And remember, a real diamond doesn't ask for attention, it commands it. If you're still unsure, don't hesitate to visit a certified gemologist for a final verdict. Tell us in the comments, have you tried these tests? Do you think you have a real diamond? And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more truly valuable content, in every sense of the word. Sparkles.